When hitting rugged trails, the right footwear can prevent discomfort and injuries. The best hiking boot for ankle support ensures stability, reduces strain, and provides comfort on uneven terrain, making it an essential choice for hikers tackling challenging outdoor adventures. Number 1. SHULOOK Ankle Support Hiking Boot. When it comes to hiking, having the right footwear is essential, especially if you are looking for strong ankle support to handle uneven terrain. Today, we will be looking at the best hiking boots designed for ankle stability, comfort, and durability. The SHULOOK hiking boot is crafted with premium synthetic suede and durable fabric that ensures long-lasting performance in different outdoor environments. It features the SL-Tex waterproof membrane, which effectively prevents water from entering while allowing vapor to escape, keeping your feet dry and comfortable even during challenging hikes. Weighing only 1.25 pounds in size 10, this lightweight construction makes long tracks much easier without adding unnecessary strain to your legs. Comfort is a key focus with this boot, as it comes with a breathable and skin-friendly DO1 lining that provides excellent ventilation, keeping your feet fresh throughout the day. The lace-up design ensures a secure, adjustable fit, while the closed-cell tongue keeps out rain, muck, and sand. To protect you from unexpected bumps, the rubber anti-collision toe design and waterproof sealing structure deliver an added layer of safety. For support, the removable memory foam insole provides arch support tailored to the natural contours of your feet. It also includes targeted heel cushioning that reduces pressure and improves comfort step after step. The flexible EVA midsole further enhances cushioning, absorbs shock, and reduces fatigue, allowing you to move confidently even on rocky paths. Stability is enhanced with the advanced traction rubber sole, which gives you reliable grip in different terrains. Whether you are hiking, trekking, backpacking, or even camping, the SHULOOK Ankle Support Hiking Boot ensures comfort, safety, and reliable ankle stability for all-day adventures. Taking the second spot is the NORTIV 8 Ankle Support Hiking Boot, a reliable choice for anyone who values both comfort and durability on their outdoor adventures. Designed with a focus on all-day wearability, this boot delivers outstanding performance whether you are tackling rugged trails, steep climbs, or even using them for daily work. The removable cushioned insole is shock-absorbent and provides strong support for your feet, reducing strain during long hikes. This ensures that you can keep going for hours without discomfort holding you back. The boot also comes with lightweight and flexible EVA midsoles that play a vital role in minimizing foot fatigue. These midsoles are designed to offer superior cushioning and impressive energy return, so each step feels easier and less tiring. The combination of EVA and high-quality rubber materials provides not only comfort, but also long-lasting strength to handle demanding conditions. With these features, the NORTIV 8 offers a balanced blend of support and flexibility that keeps you moving steadily on any terrain. When it comes to traction, this hiking boot does not disappoint. Its durable rubber outsole is fully slip-resistant and engineered with advanced grip technology to keep you stable on wet, muddy, or uneven surfaces. This makes it particularly effective for hikers who often find themselves navigating unpredictable paths. In addition, the boot's fox leather and nylon outer construction, along with a secure lace-up closure, add to its durability while ensuring a snug and protective fit around the ankle. Perfectly built for the outdoors, the NORTIV 8 Ankle Support Hiking Boot is a versatile option for hiking, camping, climbing, cycling, fishing, running, and even backpacking trips. It brings together stability, cushioning, and rugged reliability to give you the confidence to explore more challenging trails without worrying about ankle strain or foot fatigue. Next on our list is the Merrell Ankle Support Hiking Boot, a trusted option for outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize durability, ankle stability, and long-lasting comfort. Known for its reliable construction, this boot designed with a waterproof membrane that effectively seals out water while still allowing moisture to escape, keeping your feet dry in wet conditions without compromising breathability. The upper is crafted from pigskin leather combined with mesh fabric, offering a balance of rugged durability and lightweight ventilation. Adding to its eco-conscious design, it includes 100% recycled laces, webbing, and mesh lining, making it a sustainable choice for modern hikers. Comfort and support are central to the Merrell design. The Kinetic Fit Advanced removable contoured insole comes with reinforced heel cushioning, providing medium support that adapts well to your natural stride. This cushioning reduces stress on your feet and delivers added stability, which is particularly helpful during longer treks. The molded nylon arch shank and lightweight EVA foam midsole work together to enhance stability and improve comfort, ensuring that your steps feel balanced even on uneven trails. The inclusion of Merrell's signature air cushion technology in the heel further absorbs shock and provides an extra layer of steadiness with every step. For traction, the Vibram TC Plus rubber sole is built to grip a variety of surfaces with confidence. Whether you are on rocky paths, muddy ground, or slippery slopes, this sole delivers reliable stability and reduces the risk of slipping. At number 4, the Columbia Ankle Support Hiking Boot offers an excellent combination of style, durability, and reliable ankle support, making it a perfect choice for serious hikers and outdoor enthusiasts. Constructed from 100% full-grain leather and mesh, this boot is designed to keep your feet protected while maintaining breathability. The waterproof bootie construction ensures that your feet stay dry even in wet and muddy conditions, while the durable mesh tongue allows for ventilation, preventing discomfort during long hikes. This thoughtful combination of materials ensures that the boot remains both practical and comfortable in a variety of outdoor environments. The Columbia Newton Ridge Plus is equipped with advanced technology that enhances comfort and performance. Its lightweight and durable midsole provides long-lasting cushioning and high energy return, which reduces fatigue during extended treks. This boot also features Columbia's OmniGrip multi-terrain traction system, designed with specially formulated compounds and treads that adapt to different surfaces, providing secure footing on rocky trails, slippery mud, ice, and even snow. The dual-zone winter tread pattern further improves stability, giving you the confidence to tackle challenging paths without worrying about slipping. For a personalized fit, the lace-up closure ensures that the boot can be adjusted for a secure and supportive feel around the ankle. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the Keen Ankle Support Hiking Boot, a dependable choice for hikers who demand comfort, stability, and all-day protection. This boot features the Keen Dry waterproof breathable membrane, which keeps your feet dry by preventing water from entering while allowing moisture and vapor to escape. This ensures that even on wet trails, your feet remain comfortable and free from dampness, which is essential for long hikes and challenging outdoor conditions. Support is a key feature of the Keen hiking boot. The mid-cut height, combined with an external support shank, provides excellent ankle stability and balance on uneven surfaces, reducing the risk of injuries while navigating rocky or slippery terrain. The contoured heel further enhances stability by securing your foot in place, giving you confidence with every step. For a customized and secure fit, the mid-profile upper is designed with a padded tongue and collar, ensuring comfort around the ankle without restricting movement. Comfort is further enhanced by the removable metatomical footbed, which provides superior arch support and cradles your foot in its natural contours. This thoughtful design reduces fatigue, making long hikes more enjoyable.